You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTV, and thanks in advance for tapping in today's vlog. As you can probably tell, there's a lot of music, so I don't know exactly how much of this stuff I can continuously talk through. I don't want any copyright strikes. But I'm out here right now at a truck meet, trunk or treat, and I think the Instagram is Streetglow Team. Nothing but lifted trucks. Well, I shouldn't say nothing but lifted trucks, but lifted trucks are out here. Everybody pretty much has some type of lights or creativity going on, so I'm gonna grab some of this content for you guys. And yeah, just as a precursor, because they're playing so much actual music, I don't want any copyright strikes. So I'm gonna show you guys the cars that are out here, but I'm gonna scratch the background audio, and you guys should know exactly how it goes from that point, right? Scratching the background audio, just showing you guys straight content. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's getting dark right now, so trying to find some sunlight. Come on, give me some sunlight. Okay, great. You get the idea, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, interesting. All right, guys, so it's actually getting dark. I'm inside the truck, so hopefully I can do this really quickly. You guys see what was out there? Drop a comment down below on the car or truck that you liked the most. What was the coolest thing you saw? What was the most interesting thing you saw? What you did not like? Drop a comment down below, because you guys couldn't get much of my actual commentary because of all the music that is playing in the background. But yeah, guys, thank you for tapping in and tuning in to another episode of JamesAtkinsTv. I hope that you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, find your way back to more JamesAtkinsTV content. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTV, man. We out.